Hi guys, welcome to another video from DIY Daily, and today we're going to show you how to reset the tyre pressure monitoring light on this 2015 Citroen DS3. You can just see the warning, the little orange light with the exclamation mark in it there. And it's done through the radio. All we need to do is press the setup button, and it's already on the setting already, but you need to select define vehicle parameters. And just select that by pressing the button there, and you want driving assistance, and then you can scroll down to the underinflation and then just ask you to confirm it, and just scroll onto yes there. That's it, that's set all your tyres. Thanks for watching guys.